All right, guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. New week. We kind of skipped ahead a little bit now. Yes, last week was all about like Washington's presidency and kind of the cabinet, and we looked at Alexander Hamilton in some detail. And we look at Hamilton in such good detail because, like he said, he wasn't eligible to become president, but he probably maybe would have been. Chances are probably pretty likely that he would have become president at some time. So we kind of spent a little day talking about him. So we did Washington. We're actually going to skip over John Adams' presidency. Nothing really too crazy of note. And then we're going to get to Thomas Jefferson today. And when Thomas Jefferson becomes president, a lot of stuff happens. So that's where we're at right now. The third president of the United States, kind of seeing what happens with him. And obviously we get a lot of things, right? The biggest probably being like the War of 1812. I don't know if he's president then, but we got Louisiana Purchase, Lewis and Clark. All that takes place under him. So for just to kind of get us started this week, just going to read through the reading guide. Obviously, we do this very often. We read through the reading guide, and then we do notes on a lot of this stuff. So you can kind of see we get some major players, right? The Louisiana Purchase, Lewis and Clark. We'll spend a lot of time on Zebulon Pike. He's kind of the guy that started the. I'm blanking here. Kind of the. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, I'm going to continue on. I'm forgetting what I'm talking about. But yeah, so down here, probably the part you guys care about, answer 1 and 2. These are just vocab, and then they do not need to be full sentences. We're going to skip number 3. We're going to skip number 5, and then number 4 should be a multiple sentence answer. Spelling and grammar counts on number 4. All right. So answers 1, 2, and 4, all parts of 4. And once you're done, turn it in. And then tomorrow, we will start to kind of go through our notes on all these things. Obviously, spending a large amount of time on Louisiana Purchase and Lewis and Clark because it makes the United States a huge country compared to a small country. But all right, that's all I got for now. I'll talk to you guys later.